Welcome back to the channel.
We are heading back to Georgia today.
Yeah, heading back from Orlando. We had a fun week. If you want to see all that stuff, make sure to check out our channel. But if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe.
Come get lost with us.
Getting ready to head out. A little sneak peek of the room we've had for the last few days. Definitely check down the show notes if you want to see the full room tour / amenities and all that stuff. There's a washer and dryer back there. That's what she looked like. We're getting ready to leave. Heading back up to Georgia. This time, holiday weekend. So the trip should be fun. Can see the water park in the distance. Nacy went there over the weekend with her niece. Had some fun. Check out that video. And you can see everything kind of in the distance. I drive out there. Volcano Bay. It's a pretty good view. Didn't really get fireworks though. A little sad about that. Would have been nice to see some Orlando fireworks. But now, it's time to hit the road.
We're on our cruise out. So these houses out here are like individual houses you can rent that come with their own pool and hot tub and a few other extra amenities. A lot more expensive for those than the apartments. And then of course you've got the apartments like where we stayed in. It's the same hotel. It's just they separate it by apartments or like individual house listings. But we're gonna see if when we go pull out, if we get charged again. Well, we are free, but are we free? Was it free?
Turn left onto International
Probably not,
Drive.
since I just got a message on my phone.
Yep, charge us again.
Well, we're gonna be tallying up exactly how much it was that they overcharged us on parking and be demanding a refund. And if that doesn't come through, thankfully we charged it on our Amex. But next stop is home, which is 565 miles away. We made it on the turnpike. Are you excited to head back home?
Yeah,
Do you have a good week?
it was okay. Be nice when this drive's over.
What was your favorite activity?
Exploring the Great Helios was fun. So that was probably up there on my favorite activities.
I thought that steak was pretty banging.
Yeah, the lounge. Yeah, that was really good. And seeing the fountain show.
Yeah, we got to see the fountain show twice, so that was pretty cool. Come and get you guys at our next stop. We just finished dealing with the parking at Marriott. So as we mentioned in our previous videos, we got double charged. We had to switch out the rental cars on Friday, and we went to the gate. The guy said that everything was updated and everything was fixed, so cool. But every time we went in and out, it kept charging us. So now that we're officially out of the resort, I contacted the customer service for the parking app that you pay for parking through. It took almost 45 minutes from start to finish to first get somebody to even listen, because the original AI wanted me to send them a copy of the rental agreement, which I thought was a little ridiculous. And I said, no, absolutely not. I'm not sending you a copy of my rental agreement. Finally, they sent me to a real person. That person went back and forth for another 30 minutes. And finally, after giving me a talking to about how, when you change cars, you have to get a whole new parking pass. Even though I had paid for one for 5 days, that didn't matter. So in the future, I should be more cognizant of it, so that way I don't get charged. She's doing me a favor. So nonetheless, we did get a refund of $110, so we'll keep an eye out and see when that hits. If it doesn't, then we'll make sure to follow up with our credit card company. And I will also be following up with Marriott to let them know that the parking company that they use for this hotel has been absolutely atrocious, and their customer service just isn't there. I mean, honestly, the guy at the gate wasn't super helpful either when we tried to tell him. He tried to tell us that we hadn't paid for anything, which I thought was hilarious. And I was like, no, I paid $180. Like, switch it out. And he was like, okay, it's switched now. Like, your tag is in there. Nonetheless, be aware. Always watch out for parking and like hidden fees when you're in hotels, because that's where they get you.
Well, and at one point they said that the reason why you got charged, the first thing they said was the reason you got charged was it wasn't linked to you, so the license plate wasn't linked to her somehow. But yet they were charging her credit card every time.
Mm-hmm.
But somehow it wasn't linked, that she didn't link it. And it was like, how are you charging us then if it's not linked?
Right, they
It's
were
not
texting
magic.
me and charging.
Yeah.
So you knew whose car it was.
Yes, but the excuses just kept changing. That's what I'm saying. Like, they just kept moving the excuse to be like they just didn't want to refund it for some reason.
So always be aware. Check your receipts. Sometimes we deal with it in the moment. Sometimes we wait till we're all done to deal with things. And I'm not sure in this case if it would have been easier for me to have reached out then to be like, hey, I need a refund for the remaining days on this car. Like, I'm not really sure what would have been the best case scenario. Thankfully, I think we got it wrapped up, though. Just left Florida. Hurry back to the free state. No, you will always be the sunshine state to me. And then we should be crossing over into Georgia. It's Memorial Day, so it's actually been a bit busy on the road compared to last week. When we drove in, it wasn't too bad last week, but yeah, we're just a cruising. See if we can see the welcome to Georgia sign. They don't care in Georgia. They don't.
We just went past it, maybe.
That was the Florida one.
No, that was the welcome to Georgia sign. We went past the Florida one too. It's literally less than a mile back there. We just drove past it because now we're in Georgia.
Well, we're in Georgia. I missed it.
Yes.
Welcome to Georgia, y'all. That's just how it goes. What I think is funny too is like on these billboards, we'll see billboards in the next probably 50 or so miles that are for Blue Ridge.
Yeah.
And we're a good 400 miles away. It's crazy that they think that people want to drive all the way to Blue Ridge.
All the way to Blue Ridge, huh?
What does Blue Ridge got? What does Blue Ridge got? What do you think?
Some chocolate shops. That's typically what we see it stands for. I find it funny too when you get into Georgia that the first couple exits are Florida exits.
They really are.
And it's vice versa. When you get into Florida, the first couple are always Georgia exits. It's just funny.
That's how it be.
That's how it be.
I've never stopped at the Georgia Welcome Center. I don't think I'm going to start today, but have you ever stopped at the Georgia Welcome Center? It is not like Florida.
Yeah. Long time ago.
Maybe one day we'll do a road trip where we stop in like every Welcome Center in the state, you know? Like that might just, I don't know, does that sound like interesting content to y'all? Do you want to see the inside of these visitor information centers? As a kid, I always thought they were cool. Because I was like, yeah, new state. I'm going to get all the pamphlets. And I would get all the pamphlets and I would throw them away at the next stop. I think we're going to probably get lunch and gas here in a little bit. So we'll let you guys know what we get for lunch. We finally stopped. And we're going to try Burger King.
Burger King.
In the middle of nowhere, Georgia.
Yep.
If you know where Carol's Sausages is, on 75, that's where we're at. Let's go give it a go. Just finished up a Burger King.
Burger King.
Will we get sick later? Who knows? We'll find out.
Keep it posted.
Service was like super slow in there. We were the first people to go in there, and now there's like 10 cars. But it took them 20 minutes to make our food order.
Yeah, the guy in the back making the burgers was so slow.
Mm-hmm.
He'd make one probably in about 3 to 5 minutes.
Which I thought was funny.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go get some gas and then we're gonna hit the road again. Alright, we are on the expressway, but this is the one that's outside of Atlanta. We haven't quite made it to Atlanta yet. We've never had the opportunity to take this because it's never open.
We're always going the other direction.
And usually it's not open, but we're stuck in this traffic over here. But it looks like, other than homeboy that's up in front of us wants to, like, you know, slow down because he's afraid of the rain. We're gonna see how this pans out for us. Yeah, homeboy doesn't know how to ride in the rain up here, it seems like. You just keep going. There's literally nobody in front of you.
I don't understand it either. Like, go the speed limit at least. Like, man.
But yeah, we'll be hitting Atlanta right around rush hour, so we will be utilizing as much of the express lanes as we can. Because Atlanta's not fun during rush hour. That is for sure. Sizzle. Woo! That's a rain. That's a rain down. More to come. We're just outside of Atlanta. There goes a Delta plane. We'll be back here in about 96 hours. We fly out on Friday morning. So we'll be back soon. Back to LA. We got work coming up, so that'll be fun. And, but yeah, we're just about to hit downtown. And the nice thing is there's going to be an HOV lane. So that's what we're going to use. The lens is a little foggy. But we made it home. Yeah, it's been raining, so the lens is foggy. Woohoo! Now to unpack in the rain.
Well, that includes our trip back up to the mountains. You can see it's a little sunny outside. We're heading to the airport soon to go see Dayseeker.
I'm honestly super excited for this concert, so if you guys want to see how that trip goes and see the concert, make sure you subscribe down below. But Orlando was fun. It feels like we're never home. We're home, but we're never home because we're gone and then we come back, and then we're gone and then we come back.
Yeah, and we're getting ready to go again. Orlando was a good trip. We didn't get to go to Epic due to Nacy's shoulder/neck issue, so maybe next time. We're kind of sad about that because we really wanted to go and that wasn't our plans, and it sort of blew everything up for Orlando, but we made do with what we had. We had some great seafood. Mm-hmm. We had that pho place that was really good. We got to see the Bass Pro Shop, and we got to hang out at Helios.
Yeah, and I'm going to give an ADA section try at the concert this week too, so we'll see if I have any tips for that in the future.
Yeah. But if you got this far in the video, can you please take a moment and give it a thumbs up?
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
We'll come and get y'all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth? Baby Ruth.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.